Hi, hello everyone. Markets are just closed. Let us see what happened today, what happened to the levels which we marked before market in index, and what happened to the stocks which we plan for today. So first we'll start with the stocks. It was like very simple and easy day today because there was no big movement. Though there was movement, the movement was very slow. Okay, these are all the stocks which we plan for today. Out of all this, what gave us entry? We got entry in Apollo Hospital, we got entry in TCS, we also got entry in Conquer. That's it. So we didn't get any entry in any of these stocks. We missed entry in IGL just by very few rupees. So we'll take a look uh, in on charts for Apollo, TCS, Conquer. We'll also just take a quick look on IGL. Let us take a look on these charts one by one. So first I'm opening Apollo Hospital. Apollo Hospital, this is what we planned in Apollo Hospital. Almost this was the range. But for demand and supply traders, they know there is no entry at all because it straight away cut through the zone. So there was no entry. So for people who don't know about demand and supply, they should have definitely entered here and they should have took the stop loss. So finally it broke and it came to the lower demand and it is just hovering there. The level whatever we marked, it's straight away broken. So people who know demand and supply definitely would have not entered. People who don't know about supply and demand should have definitely entered and should have made 1,000 rupees loss if you are planning 1,000 rupees risk per trade. Now, second stock is TCS. TCS, we planned morning, we planned this one level. So the moment it came here, from there it gave more than 1:1. If you are risking, it has given almost 1,300 profit for your 1,000 rupees risk. Let's say you didn't book 1,000 rupees profit, and when it is giving more than 1:1, what we will do? We'll move our SL to the buy cost. If you haven't booked that 1,000 rupees profit, definitely your SL should have gone at the buy cost, which means no loss, no profit. And then on the charts, I gave another level to short TCS around this level. So from there, if anyone have shorted TCS, again it gave almost 1:1.3. If you see here, you can see the risk to reward. If you are risking 1,000 rupees, definitely it should have given you another 1,000 to 1,200 rupees. Let's say even in this case also you have moved your SL to buy cost. SL should have gone at the buy cost. After seeing the price coming back to the supply again and again, I even asked everyone to exit the trade. So let's consider this trade as no loss, no profit trade. Though it was giving like 1,000 rupees here, 1,000 rupees here, we are not considering this because at least myself, what I do, once it is giving more than 1:1, I'll bring my stop loss to the buy cost. So SL should have gone at the buy cost. Same in the above level as well. So for me, I don't consider any profit here. I'll consider this as no loss, no profit trade. And here comes the Conquer. Conquer in the first candle itself, this is what we planned in Conquer. It gave the entry, even it gave the target. It gave almost 1:4 target. It gave almost 1:4 target. If anybody trailing, even it has given much more profit. It has given almost more than almost 1:7 profit. But we don't want that much. We'll just go with whatever we planned before the market. So we planned around 1:4 trade. So if you are risking 1,000 rupees, definitely should have made 4,000 rupees profit in this trade. Okay, now coming to IGL. IGL is a HIT trade. We plan this on 5 minutes. So we missed entry just by we wanted to go short here around 464.50. This made high of 463, which means by 1 rupee we missed the entry and later it has given target. If it has given target, entry, the target would have been like very great target, but we didn't get entry in this, so we don't do anything. Let me summarize from what we planned. We planned all these stocks. Let me consider this Apollo from the people who don't know, from the point of view who don't know about demand and supply. Let's say there is 1,000 rupees loss in this trade, and in this no loss, no profit. And in this, it gave 1:4. Though it has given more than that, I am considering whatever we planned. So 1,000 rupees loss here, 4,000 rupees profit here. Definitely should be in 3,000 profit if your risk was 1,000 rupees per trade. So we didn't get entry in any other stocks. That's it. Now let us see how we traded Nifty, Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty. It was so simple today. It was a bit boring as well. So let me go to 15-minute chart. What did we plan in Nifty before the market? Before the market, we wanted to short when Nifty come to the supply area. And if it go above, we wanted to go long for this target of 19,780, 770 level. So as planned, what we did, we tried one put around this area. The moment it has gone above, we came out of it. We are supposed to enter call over there, but I was unable to give any call. Even if anyone entered call above this level, and if they have waited a little bit, definitely they should have made some profit. But the movement was very, very, very slow. So there was no great momentum in the option premiums. So this is one trade we tried and it got stopped out. And above that, whoever entered call, they should have made some profit till the planned target. Now let's see what happened in Bank Nifty. In Bank Nifty, we wanted to short if the price come here, and if it breaks, we wanted to go long. It didn't give any entry. The movement was very slow. There was no entry at all in Bank Nifty. And what happened in Fin Nifty? Fin Nifty also, there was no movement at all. There was no movement at all. So now tell me, when there is no great movement in index, in this small move, who would have made money today? Definitely people who entered some calls. This is the bottom, right? Somebody who entered calls at this bottom, and if they have hold, definitely they should have made some money. Let me go to 5 minutes. Were we able to enter any call here? Yes, we have entered call here. Let me show you on Telegram. Around 9:31, we entered call. 20,200 call around 112 rupees. So, and what was our SL? Below previous low. This is, you see the red dotted line, that is the previous low. These are 5 minutes candles. From 9:15, if you take 3 candles, this is where 9:30 comes. In 9:31 candle, this is where I asked everyone to, at least I said like I am entering some call, and if I am entering my call, where I should be taking my SL? Below this red line. If it go below this, I will take SL. Otherwise, by looking at this hammer at the low, I thought there will be some reversal, and today market is going to reverse. As expected, we entered some call, and what happened? It has given good profit, but it tested our patience. See, as an option buyer, what we want some swift move. Then only we can make money. In such a slow move, we need a lot of patience to make money. Even if you want to, if you are experienced and if you know how to trail, if you are trailing properly, this is one area where you would have your trailing stop loss would have gone. Otherwise, if you are maintaining the stop loss at the buy cost itself, definitely you should have made some good profit in this call. So out of all the 3 index, we planned something in Nifty. One put when it reached the supply area, we came out of it once it went above that, and whoever entered call above that definitely should have made profit in Nifty. And in Fin Nifty, we entered some call here at the bottom, and this 112 rupees, it went almost close to 200 rupees by end of the day. If anyone had some patience and if they have booked at the end of the day, they should have definitely booked above 190 or close to 200 rupees. At least if someone trailed and if someone came out when it was breaking this low, definitely they should have made around, they should have booked profit around 155, 160 area. So in this slow movement also, we were able to take some trade and we were able to book some profit. So the small stop loss, whatever we took in Nifty, should be definitely covered in this call, in this Fin Nifty call. So this is what we planned in Nifty. We wanted to go short here. Above that, we'll take SL, and then we wanted to go long. So as expected, a small SL. Above that, whoever entered call definitely should have made some money. Not great money, but a small amount, because there is no movement at all. So what can we do? This is the TCS chart which I have already explained. So that is all about all the indices and all. Now, with this day, today is the last day of this month. Now the monthly candle is also closed. Now let us take a quick look on all the indices. Let us see how the weekly, monthly has closed for this month. So we'll start Nifty analysis from a monthly candle. So let me go to Nifty monthly. This is Nifty monthly chart. See what is happening on monthly. On monthly, I'll just quickly talk about this pattern. This is bearish engulfing in the month of December. That is where we thought like market will go down. As expected, it came down. And this is one indecisive candle which formed in the month of March, I believe. Above this, we thought like it will go up, and every month it started going up and up. So completely on monthly, Nifty is in a bullish way. Now let us take a look on weekly and see if we get any idea on weekly. So let me go to the weekly chart. So on weekly, this week is very important. The low of this week is 19,562.95. The low of last week is 19,563. Just by few paise, it didn't hit the SL, it didn't go below the prior week, and from there it started going up. If you remember, that is where exactly we entered call, but when we saw pullback, we exit that. But definitely that worked very well, and from there it started moving up. So for now, what is happening? What is our observation here? In this weekly candle, this is completely inside candle of this one. So now this candle will become the mother candle of this, and even for the current week also, it is inside candle only. So below this candle will be bit dangerous. So the low of this is 19,562. If market go below 19,562, that could become bit dangerous to the market. Maybe it can go down, but even it can also become trap as well. I'll show you why I said it could be trap. Let me show you something on daily. See, on daily, what is happening right now? It has formed some indecisive candle on Friday, and today it has taken the high of that. And you can see here at the bottom RSI 60 support. So whenever it takes support on the RSI 60, which means generally for the next few days, there could be up move. You can look at in the past here, you can see it has taken RSI 60 support, and from there we have seen some up move. And even before that also we have seen RSI 60 support, and from there we have seen market going up. In a similar way, there is a chance it can go up, but we have to be a bit cautious because from tomorrow it is going to start a new week. Sorry, new month, new month. So we have to be a bit cautious. Maybe it can break and it can start coming low as well. So we'll see what it will do tomorrow, and then we'll take action accordingly. But according to whatever it has formed so far, we have to be in a bullish mode itself. So now let me show you something on 75 minutes chart. So on 75 minutes, we are seeing some support around 19,520. If you remember, 19,562 is the low of the prior week. Normally what people do, all the price action traders, they will short or they will enter puts once it go below the low of last week. The moment they go short just below 20-30 points, we have some demand area. There is a chance this can be false breakdown and people get trapped. All the people whoever buy puts or whoever short Nifty, they may get trapped, and from there it can start moving up. So what we can do, we'll wait, we'll see what price will do in this area, and then we'll take decision. Normally when the range is like too much big, we don't enter in naked calls. Instead we'll enter in some spreads. We'll buy some call, we'll sell some calls above. We have all the rules in place, like which call to buy and which strike to sell and all. So according to our rules only, we will enter some bull call. If this is violated, or if the price stay in this zone for too much long, then we'll look to go short. See, for me personally, I don't feel comfortable shorting Nifty, or I don't feel Nifty is bearish unless at least it go below 19,300, because it can trap you from any level. Once if it break the low of last week, maybe from 19,520, it can take support and it can start moving up. Even if it break the demand area around 19,433, if you enter short just below 100 points, again it may start going up. So I won't be much comfortable because you could get trapped from any of these levels. So I will be comfortable shorting it only below 19,300. So now let us look on 15-minute levels for tomorrow. The levels for tomorrow will be the same. This is what we planned, expected yesterday. So for tomorrow we have two levels, level above level. So what we want the price to come in between these two areas so that we can look to short. So I'll tell one more time. If the price come in between these two supply areas, this is 1820 and this is 1840, around 1830, 19,830. This is the area where one can look to go short with a stop loss above supply area, which is 19,867, 868 levels. Only above that, if the price sustain, we look to go long. Otherwise, from this area, we look to go short. That should be the plan for tomorrow. And in case if there is any gap down tomorrow, what should be our action? There should be no action because we could get trapped from any of these levels. Only if it come to 19,520, we'll see what price will do there and then we'll take action accordingly. So that is about Nifty. Now let us take a look on Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty also bullish on all the time frames. There is only one observation on weekly. Let me show you that. Similar to Nifty, what is happening in Bank Nifty? This is the mother candle. Last week it was inside candle and this week also for now it is inside candle. So the high and low of this candle will be very important. Above that candle high, maybe it can go much high. Below the low of this candle, which is 44,700. Below that, it can turn into bit bearish. So that is what we are seeing. It is forming all the inside candles on weekly. Now let us take a quick look on daily as well. Let us see what is happening on daily. So on daily, we have some support around 45,000 till 44,500. So we can't just buy naked calls if the price come to this level 45,000 because the range is almost 500 points of range. So what we do, we in such cases we'll enter monthly contract spread. So August end contracts we can enter, we can buy some calls and we can sell some calls above and we can try some bull calls with monthly, not by weekly, because if the price stay here for 1 week or 2 weeks, all the calls whatever you buy will become zero. So it is recommended when we are trading on a higher time frames, we need to go with the monthly contracts and that too in a spreads instead of going with a naked options. That is what recommended. And then let us see what will be the levels for tomorrow. More or less the levels will be same as how we planned today because it didn't give any entry today. So the levels will remain same. Tomorrow if the price come close to this area 45,760, 770, and if you see any indice or any rejection from this zone, that is where we'll enter some put. If it break 45,800 level, then definitely we'll look to go long for another 200, 250 points up move. So if it violate this and if you get entry, we'll look to go long for this target. Obviously above this also we'll look to go long, but if you see any indecisive candle here, from there we look to go short. So that should be the plan in Bank Nifty for tomorrow. And coming to the stocks, I'll be posting the stocks on Telegram later tonight or tomorrow morning for intraday stocks for tomorrow. And from this month onwards, from the month of August, I am planning to track all the performance of all the stocks, whatever we are being given. So what we are planning to do from the month of August, so we'll maintain some Excel sheet and we'll see how much profit we are making, how much loss we are making in intraday. We'll also plan some weekly trades. We'll see what will be the profits and loss by the end of the month. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll post all the stocks on Telegram later today. Thank you so much.